Hi everyone, this is Pushkarash Kaulgut from Tata Technologies, India. We have partnered with RYMSC for the competency centers, the advanced centers, to take care of the engineering youth coming out of the college to become the ready engineers for the industry. Basically, we have set up here two centers. One is the technological R&D center, where we are sitting right now, and with this center takes care of the product design and development, the entire cycle of the product design, development, engineering, the verification, the validation. All this cycle will be taught here to the students throughout the different modules, right from the design thinking, then the design and development, then the verifications and validations, and so on and so forth. So students coming through this Center of Excellence will be taught by Tata Technologies subject matter experts, and they will go through extensive industrial engineering or industrial experiential learning, by which industry in the manufacturing industry would be able to absorb them very quickly. The reason here is to bridge the gap between the academy and industry, which makes more sense to the industry, and within first 10 to 15 days the engineers coming out of this college would be immediately giving some meaningful output, which usually takes around 12 to 18 months in normal cases. We are trying to set up here, or we have set up actually here, the product design development along with the tools like 3D experience, which consists of right from the sketching, then the part modeling, assembly design, then the engineering drawing, the stack up tolerances. All those things are included in the technological tools provided here. Also, we have provided the high-end softwares which are used in the automotive, aerospace, as well as agriculture and construction heavy equipments worldwide, which is from the MSC, which takes care of right from the MSC softwares of the Hypermesh, the Nastran, Patran, which takes care of the CAE analysis as well as the CFD analysis, and the students will be able to take care of their designs before it goes out for their projects, so that they can verify their models and run through the CAE, CFD, make sure that the models are perfect before they go for the manufacturing. We have also set up here a small 3D printer, as well as the for the reverse engineering there is a scanner, so students don't have to don't reinvent anything, but if they have an idea and if they want to innovate something, then they can just have the scanner ready, get the models inside, modify it as required, and print it and see it their own things as it goes into the product lifecycle management. So this center is entirely called as Center for Invention, Innovation, Incubation, and Training. So if somebody wants to have some different ideas, they will be protected through the IP, and their intellectual property will be protected by college and Tata Technologies together as a partner, and they can invent or innovate. However, if the ideas are some things like which can be manufactured, then probably we can go through the incubation, then the startup can be funded by different government fundings. That's the whole motive here, where we are going to have the collaboration for next 3 years minimum, and as required it will continue. So that is the whole idea about this integrated product design development or technological R&D center. This is the second center, which is called as Advanced Manufacturing Center, taking care of the current technological needs. A lot of companies and industries in the manufacturing have moved towards the robotics, Industry 4.0, as well as transferring their old machinery into the CNC machines. So this is one of the machines, vertical milling center with the 3 axis, which is provided here for engineering students to understand how it works and how it is programmed entirely to make sure their project needs are taken care inside the campus itself. This is a very start of the small industry inside the campus, and this is a 20 tool automatic changer here, which is going to help students to do a lot of machinings and millings, etc. So it will help them into the projects which they usually do in their last year. We also have a robotics here. This is an industrial robotics of 10 kg with a range of 1460 mm, and this will take care of the students for the robotics, which is the essential things today for the industry 4.0, or we can say it is the core of the industry 4.0. This is not an educational robotics, this is entirely industrial robotics, which student will get hands-on experience through the digital manufacturing, through the digital programming, which they will do it in the first center. They can try with the jigs and fixtures here, and they will be looking at the welding as an arc welding, how it will performing here, which will help also the student for their projects, where they do not need to go outside out of college and take help of the small industry for the purpose of the weldings as well as the small parts manufacturing in the sheet metal and other areas. So this is the center which takes care of the advanced manufacturing, and it will take care of digital manufacturing as well as the robotics. This center will go for the mechanical students mostly. However, lot of the students from the electrical and electronics can also take the advantage of these two centers. Thank you very much.